All rise for Honorable Judge Sheila Venable.
Morning. Good morning. Do we have Miss Ciardi? In person? No, it's not in person. It's she's at the jail, incarcerated. Let me go back and see. Oh yeah, there she is. It's the jail. Okay. Ciardi. Ciardi. Yeah.
It just logged in, so they should.
Okay. Let's wait. Okay, this is Judge Venable. It's Tuesday, February. Hold on just one moment. Who's online? Let's see if we can, are they bringing her in? Off the record.
So what we have now is, it looks like the New Jersey court is waiting for Monica Ciardi to be brought into a room inside the Essex County Jail. We had Judge Venable, who just left the bench, and she's waiting for corrections in Essex County Jail to produce Monica for this court hearing. So we will follow along and see what's going on with respect to Monica Ciardi and the court and what will be happening today. And here comes
Somebody there?
The judge. The judge is in the courtroom off the record, and they're waiting for Monica to be produced.
Okay. What's going on now? I'm just gonna, okay, we're on the record. This is Judge Venable. It's day, February 11th, 2025. And this is just a matter involving Monica Ciardi, Rosenblum motion. The docket number is FB 07-236-24. And we are waiting for Ms. Ciardi who's in custody. We're waiting for her to come on the screen. Since this is being live streamed, so that more people will be able to view the proceedings if they so wish to do so. First, it was put on Zoom, but it appeared that more people wanted to watch, so that Zoom process has turned into live streaming because more people will be able to view live stream. And so the purpose of today's staff conference is to set down a oral argument for the pending Rosenblum motion.
Good morning, Judge Venable. This is Robert. Monica Ciardi is on her way to the booth. They received the link late, so she is on her way to the booth. She should be there momentarily.
Thank you. That's for the record, my law clerk. We'll pause until Ms. Ciardi is okay.
Okay, we're here for what's called a Rosenblum motion or Rosenblum order under New Jersey law, and that relates to a vexatious litigation. The claim is that Monica Ciardi was engaged in vexatious litigation, and it sought that she be precluded from filing more legal filings with the court. It's with the assignment judge in Essex County, and that judge is Judge Venable, as we've seen. And it was transferred by Judge Minkowitz in Morris County because he found a conflict on January 7th of this year. Now it's in Essex County, which is the adjoining county, the seat of Newark, New Jersey. Morris is the adjoining county, the seat of Morristown, New Jersey. And it looks like we have some action, and it looks like Monica's or something's happened. That's a court officer, or actually a corrections officer, that's coming across. But this is a pretrial motion. It's a pretrial proceeding, open to the public. This is an important hearing, if only for the fact that we're going to get a chance to see Monica. There have been allegations that she's been mistreated in the jail or not receiving medication. Here's the judge.
There's one before me and one before Judge Ali. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
So Judge Venable just alluded to the fact there may be a second proceeding before Judge Ali. This is the Rosenblum hearing, which is directed to the administrative judge about vexatious litigation. But the concern is about Monica's health and safety inside the Essex County Jail. We've published already some issues related to allegations that she's receiving medication in the jail that she never received when she was out on the street. And the allegation is that she's being plied with medication to basically render her into a vegetable. There's also been other allegations that she is, they're trying to cause her to slowly die in the Essex County Jail, which is a very tough jail. It's Newark, New Jersey. I don't think anybody wants to go to Newark, New Jersey on purpose for vacation, let alone for an extended stay in the Essex County Jail. So we'll be able to see, hopefully, Monica come out the next little bit and see how she appears and see her demeanor, see if she's basically with it. This may raise competency issues. It may raise other issues. But we'll see what the judge does here. This is the top judge, the assignment judge in Essex County, Judge Venable. And this did come from Judge Minkowitz, who was the top judge in Morris County, where the alleged criminal activity related to Monica Ciardi did occur. That looks like her coming in now. Let's go. What do we have here? Looks like Monica's speaking with the court officer at this point, being escorted down a hallway.
She went through there. That's what I mean, is she? Hello, we're back on the record. Miss Ciardi, this is, can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Okay. This is the case of John Weaponized versus Monica Ciardi. This is docket number FM07-1541-24. The purpose of today's status conference is to set a date, Ms. Ciardi, for oral argument for the pending Rosenblum motion. Remember when you were before me several months ago? And it was regarding the, wait just one moment, regarding the Rosenblum matter. And due to the other court proceedings, you have a criminal matter that now exists. So that's why you have heard from this court until now. It was best to just inform you of what's happening now. This is a separate matter from criminal matter. This is the family docket that I'm on. Okay. So I was going to set a date for the Rosenblum motion. I'll set it out a little bit. So I just want you to know that nothing occurred on this. Okay. All right. So I'm going to put it on for, I'll put it for April, a little time, but it'll be this date. That'll be the Rosenblum motion. That'll be April 15th.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Yeah.
And as always, you do have the right to have an attorney. But this is the Rosenblum motion, the family matter that we're referring to. I understand that you'll be a judge regarding your criminal matter today.
Really, it has to be delay. So then, like, I catch the delay and start, and then I'm gonna do it on purpose. Sorry, it's a video.
Okay. All right. Thank you, Ms. Ciardi. Say that again.
I did have another question. I'm sorry, Judge, the prosecutor from Somerset County, John McDonald, released me this morning on a plea deal of, where there's there, but primarily it was a domestic violence issue. That is an FD. And during, when he was looking up at the list of the rap sheet, which was like 55 pages, he was seeing himself, these are definitely not right. And he has familiarity with the case. So he put that, he knows those cases are not valid, there's no warrants, there's no arrest reports, he knows nothing is valid, and I was free to go. So fine. But then, it's an emergent matter because it's an FD docket, so everything was fine because they're all, separate, entered. So all day today at court, I think it was a new employee. He was going over the order again and again and again, and I don't really understand why. And I became concerned because the issue doesn't bother.
Who are you referring to? What judge? You said Somerset. Right now, this is
because it's just there is a final restraining order entered against UN in the neighborhood case. Today, during multiple times attempting to be discharged, the officer was clearly new, started reading all of the information to the fellow inmates and the other officers. And I was in my cell lost, and I said, no. I said, those are private. They're private. Domestic violence has young children. So he couldn't hear me, so once or twice. So then all of a sudden at 5, he comes up and he says, you can sit
Wait,
here.
are we talking about right now where you are? It's occurring. This occurred.
Yes, but I know it's an FV and that's important. Any doctor can.
Well, this is not. This here is the FM, not the FB. This is FM. So I don't have that. I don't have FB that is before this court. What I'll do is look through the system, see if there is an FB that is outstanding. But right now, all it is an FM. I have that, and I believe there's a criminal matter that you're going to address here today before another judge. So
I've been incarcerated for 4 months.
That's okay. You're not incarcerated on this matter. You're incarcerated on the criminal matter. So let me tell you. So what you will have to do is you're going to be heard, and I believe in a few minutes. Therefore, you will be able to speak to the judge for your criminal matter and ask if this is what I think you're asking for, a detention hearing or whatever. You can do that. I wait just a minute. I'm not able to do that because the criminal matter. All I am here is wanting you to know that your Rosenblum motion has not been acted on and hasn't been nothing, and so that you would get a date on this, so to be heard on this. So regarding your situation being in custody, that is regarding the criminal matter that the judge who is presiding over that will be able to assist you in. That's the best I can tell you right now on that. So I think I'm going to conclude this matter because I believe you're going to be speaking to the on the matter today after this matter here. So you'll be able to present anything dealing with your custody with that judge because you're not on custody, not in custody on this matter here, what I'm presiding over.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome.
Okay.
Okay, that concludes this. You're going to go back, yes, to see the judge.
Well, if I'm seeing the judge, it's here. That's okay. That's not your issue. I'm sorry. I don't bother you with that.
You'll see another judge in another court.
Okay.
All right. I don't know if they want you to stay here or not, but there's another matter. Okay. Let me wait for the officer. If the officer can come in.
Yes, he's coming right now.
Okay. Thank you. Hello, officer. What has happened? Hello. This matter was a family matter, so I'm finished, but I believe another judge will be hearing Miss Ciardi today on a criminal matter. So so she's really not finished with the video. It might be in another booth. I don't know, but I just wanted you to know that there's another matter as well in which Miss Ciardi will probably need the video.
Yes, sir. I'm aware of it.
All right, thank you. That concludes this matter here. Thank you.
Yeah, no, you stay right here. There's another video coming on. This one is going to end, and then another one pops up. Okay. No.
So what we just saw was the first leg of the day for Monica Ciardi. She appeared for a family court matter, was a Rosenblum motion that was brought by her ex-husband, John Ioannis, claimed that she was a vexatious litigator and that she should no longer be able to file applications or papers in the court without first being reviewed by the judge. We'll see what happens here. The next portion of it is the issue with respect to the criminal case. And we saw Monica, we saw her demeanor, we saw that she had made some claims that there were some problems in the jail, that some of her private information was being revealed, statements being revealed. She referred to Somerset County Prosecutor McDonald when she spoke. But we're going to see if we can get onto the criminal docket in front of Judge Ali. That'll be available.